Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my cash management feature in my Robinhood account that I've had for about 3 months now. So what the cash management feature is, you can use it as essentially a bank and withdraw your cash there, or you can deposit your cash there. And for having your money stored in this account, you get a yield of 0.3% currently. At one point, it was at 1.8%. Currently, my cash position is $18,032. I plan to increase this cash position so I can easily deploy into the markets. Scrolling down a bit, you can see the interest earned so far this month is $9.50 at a yield of 0.3%. So at one point I mentioned it was at 1.8%, but as the Fed lowered rates, then this affected the annual percentage yield. So as Fed lowers it, this yield is also lower. And the next pay date is March 31st, 2020. So what it does is it pays monthly based on the APY. So currently I have 18,388 in the swept cash account, and 0.3% I get for just storing my money there. And so far paid this year is $42.13. So I've had this feature since mid-January, and I've had that amount accrued the past 3 months. Taking a look at the interest payments, you can see that end of January, I received $10.61. I believe that was at 1.8%. And then February, that was $28.81. That was the entire month of February. And most recently, I received $2.71. This was paid out a little earlier than usual because whenever there's any movement in the bank account, then that's sometimes you get early interest payment. So looking at the interest earned description, you can see that it says, earning interest explained your uninvested cash is swept or moved to the program banks that pay you interest. Your swept cash is also eligible for FDIC insurance up to a total max of 1.25 million, up to 250,000 per bank, subject to FDIC rules. So it's always good to have your cash, your assets insured. Next, under the swept cash, it says your swept cash may not match what's available to use if you've recently traded, spent, or transferred funds. So if you have any recent activity, then the swept cash isn't most up to date, but it'll update gradually over time. So I think this 0.3% APY, the yield, is not the most competitive, but I plan to leave my cash here and continue to add more to this cash position because I plan to continue doing more trading in my Robinhood account. So I want to be able to easily deploy money into the market when there are opportunities to buy. So that's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.